Hey everybody, this video is going to talk about writing an equation in point-slope form given the slope and a point. For this topic, it's fairly simple because we're told to write an equation in point-slope form given a point and a slope. So a line passes through the point 5, 7 and has a slope of -1/2, -1/2. Write an equation in point-slope form for this line. So point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m, or the slope, times x minus x1. Now, y1 and x1 are placeholders for our points, our point. So x1 is 5 and y1 is -7. So we just take y and we subtract y1, which is -7. Make sure you put that in parentheses. And then m is always the slope. So that's -1/2 x minus x1, which is 5. Now this is, we can simplify by going y plus 7 equals -1/2 times x minus 5. That right there is point-slope form, and we don't have anything else to do. So that is the topic of writing an equation in point-slope form, given a slope and a point.